This is OPPO Reno12 F, and today I'll show how you can fix the overheating issues on this device. So let me begin by sharing what measures you can take in order to prevent overheating problems from occurring at the first place, since obviously preventing an issue is way more efficient way of dealing with it than fixing it after it already occurred. So first advice that I have is that you avoid fast charging your device. Make sure to charge it at the manufacturer recommended rate. That information you can find in the user manual. Second advice that I have for you guys is that you do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. If you have to use or leave it outdoors somewhere, make sure that it preferably stays in the shadow, or even better, inside a bag, your rucksack, or perhaps somewhere where it will not be well affected by the sunlight. Then, if the overheating already occurred, you can help your device to cool itself down a little bit faster by launching settings, then enter the battery category, go into more settings and switch on the just switch on the power saving mode here. Then you can also optimize the battery usage and battery charging, and well, how it will help you is that the majority of overheating cases can be attributed to the battery first and foremost, so taking care of the battery properly will also reduce the overheating events and just an overall chance of overheating occurring. So here, switch on the smart charging or the charging limit, whatever option you like best. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.